So I just picked up a bunch of goodies from my local Walmart. It's okay, you know, I buy plants from all different places. I love to support local nurseries. I also buy plants from larger box stores or online. So wherever plants are sold, I'm there checking out what's in stock. And I like to look for a good deal too. And everything that's in this bag was an excellent deal. I'm really excited about getting these plants growing out in the garden. It's going to be a game changer. Let me share with you what I got here. So what I picked up was a bunch of different roots and tubers of beautifying landscape plants, mainly flowers. I've got some edibles in the bottom there I'll share with you. But I'd mentioned this in the past, how I wanted to bring in more color. Seeing a sea of greenery out in the garden is a wonderful thing, but having spots of pink and red and orange and white and just blooming flowers everywhere, it just adds this beautiful color to the garden. It adds dimension. Flowers like this will help to bring in beneficial insects like bees and butterflies and hummingbirds. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of these packages of hollyhocks. This is a perennial flower. I love when I'm establishing plants in the garden going perennial, especially with flowers. You make a small investment up front and the plant comes back year after year. So I've successfully grown the white variety of these hollyhocks in different areas of my yard. And I really love this flower. So I picked up 2 bags. These were $3 a piece. There's 2 roots in each bag. So there we go. The next flower I picked up is the papaver. This is a poppy. These plants grow in clusters in a nice papery red flower with different stripes of black in there. I'm looking forward to growing this as well. Again, $3 for 2 roots. You can't beat that. Next up, we got the phlox. This is an orange, again, clustering flower. This was $5 for 3 roots. And once again, with the other 2, it's a perennial flower. So I'm just envisioning where I want to put this into my design and how it's going to just make everything pop and come together. So the more flowers, the better, in my opinion. Moving right along, we've got some dahlia. I love dahlia flowers. One thing I'll mention about growing flowers, if you're a man especially, if you've got a wife or girlfriend, there's really nothing better than growing these flowers out and getting some fresh cut flowers you grew with your own hands, putting them in a vase, and it's really something special. So not only are you going to save some money, but you're really giving them a gift of love, something that you put your heart and your hands into. So dahlias are a great flower. They make great cut flower displays. This is the Ferncliff Illusion variety. Really like the different color on here. But these flowers come in all different color patterns, some of them solid, some of them multicolored. So 2 bulbs for $5. And this one says annual, but in temperate climates, actually down to zone 8, these can be grown as a perennial. And in temperature ranges below that, you're going to want to dig up the tubers at the end of the season and store them in buckets or whatnot in a warmer climate and plant them out again in the spring. They do really like warm soil, so I'll probably hold off a little bit before I put these in the ground. And I got 2 bags of those. Here's another papaver. And here's a different dahlia. It looks similar to the other, but we've got some different colors here, and this is the Blue Wish. And again, $5, 2 bulbs. So there we go. So those are the flowers I picked up so far. There's going to be more that I either order or go pick up from stores around here. Now at the bottom of this bag, I've got several more packages of bare root strawberries. If you watched my previous video, you saw how I put a bunch of strawberries in my raised beds. Well, you can't beat the price of $3 for 10 roots. And these are the everbearing strawberries, meaning they'll start to produce fruit in June all the way into the fall, so you get several months of fruiting. And what's great about strawberries, they're often grown as an ornamental and they make a great ground cover. So why not go big on the strawberries and dedicate several different areas to patches of wonderful berries? So I actually picked up 6 packages times 10 roots. We got 60 more strawberry plants here for a total of $18. And I really just wanted to put this video out for you guys so that you know, you don't wait too long to get on this stuff. And for all you folks out there living in colder climates who are watching this thinking, you know, it's just too early to be thinking about this stuff, I'm here to tell you, no, that's not true. If if you haven't already, get those seeds on order. You can bring those seeds in, get them started on a windowsill. You can get them started under grow lights, even better. That's going to give you a tremendous jump start on this growing season. So order your seeds, order your plant starts, order your roots and your tubers. Have them ready to go. That way when the weather starts to warm up, bam, you can hit it hard, have an amazing garden this year. And that's what I want for you. I want you to be able to plant as much abundance, everything that you dreamed of, that you want to accomplish this year in your garden. Let's make it happen, everybody. And so with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll be talking to you again real soon. Take care.